In this video, I will show you how to get a physical Revolut card. To do this, go and open up Revolut and click on the card icon in the top right of the app. From there, click on Add New, and then here pick the physical card. Then here you can choose which card you want. So the standard one, you do have to pay for the card itself and the delivery. And then you have these other ones where you need to pay for a subscription where you will get some benefits, which you can see if you click on upgrade. Now for this example, I'll just continue with standard. Now from here you can then customize your card for only $3.99. If you want to do that, just go and write down whatever you want. I'll click skip. And then now set a PIN. Then confirm the PIN by entering it again. And then it will ask if the address they have is correct. If it is, then click yes. If not, then click no. And then choose the delivery type you want, so standard or express, and then click continue. Then you have the overview. Now choose how you want to pay, and then just go and click on pay in the bottom. And once you have paid for it, then they will deliver it for you at the date that you can see at the top. So that's how to get a physical Revolut card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.